In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out from Zillow on desktop. Whether you're wrapping up a home search or just switching devices, logging out is a quick way to keep your account secure, especially on a shared or public computer. Start by opening your web browser and going to Zillow.com. Make sure you're currently signed in. You'll know you're logged in if you see a personalized item in the top right corner of the page. This could be your name, your initials, or a small profile avatar. If you don't see anything like that, you might not be logged in, and the sign out option won't appear. Once you've confirmed you're signed in, move your attention to the top right corner. That's where Zillow places the account controls on desktop. The profile area can look slightly different depending on your account and browser size. It might be your first name, a circle with your initials, or a standard person icon. On a smaller window, it may appear as a compact avatar, but it will still be in that top right area. Click that profile icon to open the account menu. A small drop-down should appear beneath it. This menu contains shortcuts to your saved homes, searches, and other account settings. We're focusing on the option to exit your session. In the drop-down, look for the label that says Sign Out or Log Out. Zillow may use either phrase, but they mean the same thing. It's typically near the bottom of the menu, so if you see several items, scan down until you find it. Take your time and make sure you're clicking the correct option so you don't accidentally navigate somewhere else. Go ahead and click Sign Out or Log Out. As soon as you do, Zillow will immediately end your current session. There's no long confirmation process here. The change is instant. You'll likely be redirected to the home page or a sign-in screen, and your profile icon will be replaced with a generic sign-in button, which is a good visual confirmation that you're no longer signed in. A couple of quick tips as you finish up. If the menu doesn't open on the first click, wait a moment and try again, as a slow connection can delay the drop-down. And if you don't see the sign-out option at all, double-check that you were signed in to begin with. For extra privacy on a shared computer, consider closing the browser window after signing out. That's it. You've successfully logged out of Zillow on desktop and secured your account. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you keep your information safe while you browse.